Hey, it's Sam. If you're wondering what an affiliate funnel is, well, you're lucky because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. So stay tuned. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So an affiliate funnel is a sales funnel that's made for affiliate marketing. What's a sales funnel? A sales funnel is actually a journey that a marketer creates for their audience. They want the audience to be aware of what the marketers offer to the point where they're becoming the sale. So what a sales funnel actually does is it siphons a huge group of an audience and then slowly transfers the one that are more interested. Siphons the whole audience to eventually find the action takers. And the action takers are the people that are valuable because they're the ones that are going to pay for whatever you're offering. So it's pretty much a funnel of persuasion for those few members that really want your product. So in a typical sales funnel, there's 4 different steps, 4 different levels that the audience goes through. So step 1 is awareness. The awareness step is when people actually get to see what you're offering, see what you're about. And one funnel analogy that I like to bring to when explaining a sales funnel is actually Squid Games. You know how in the beginning of Squid Games, a lot of people, I forgot what the number is, but a lot of people are grouped into one big giant arena to play red light, green light. It's sort of like that. That's the first step. That's the first game that they play, and that's the first step in the sales funnel. So in the first step of awareness, people are learning about what your offer is. Just like in Squid Games, people are learning about how they can win that big chunk of cash that's right above their ceiling, and they want to know how to win it. Remember in Squid Games how the first level of people, more than half of them died? Well, it's going to be similar in your sales funnel because not many people of the broad audience is interested in what you're offering. And if you want to build a really good sales funnel opt-in page, then you should check this video here because you can get up to 50% conversion leads, which is a lot better than the conversion rate in Squid Games. So unfortunately, like Squid Games, not everyone's going to opt in to step 2. Not everyone's interested. It's the interested people that you actually want because they're the ones that are willing to learn more about your offer. So now you know what step 2 is, because step 2 is interest. Is those people that survive the first step and moving on to the second level. They know what your offer is. They know what they need from your offer, and they're zoned into your offer. In order for the people to win that cash in Squid Games, they need to win. They know they need to win. So they're eager to move on. They're eager to learn about what is next, and they're gonna want to find out even more information, how your offer solves their problems. So now, everyone's up to step 3. The survivors stay on. Step 3 is the decision phase. This is when they decide, they think about what are the pros and cons of your offer and why they should buy your products. In step 3, the decision making, naturally you're gonna lose some people. Just like in Squid Games. Not everyone's gonna survive every single step. So now we're siphoning from this big giant audience. And if you've done the work right, you're gonna have some action. The action takers are what you want to cherish because they're the ones that are gonna buy from you. And like I said from the previous video, you want to cherish these action takers because they can potentially be repeat customers. Your job as a marketer isn't over yet. Just because they bought, that means there's a new beginning to your business plan. Here is when you have to continue pampering your audience, pampering your buyer with more value, with more knowledge, with more how they can continue using your offer. So that's what affiliate funnel is from beginning to end. If you want to learn more about how you can implement these strategies and how you can create your own affiliate funnel, be sure to check out that link that I posted down below. And I'm sure you're going to get huge value and huge success if you follow every single step. So I hope that information is valuable to you, and make sure you download the diagram I created down below. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.